welcome you all to the next topic of characteristics of image formed by a plane mirror. So plane mirror, that means we are talking about the mirror that is present in your homes, in your places, and before moving out to any place, we make ourselves ready in front of a mirror. So what is there? You have to understand. When you are going to observe now, what you are actually seeing inside the mirror is the image. You yourself is an object. So before we take up this topic, let us ask you to go in front of a mirror and do a simple thing. Number one, stand up in front of a mirror and see yourself. Do you see yourself upside down? You see yourself as it is where the way you are standing. Now the second thing, come closer to that mirror. Okay, stand in front of the mirror. Now come close to your mirror. You will see that image is also coming closer to you. Now you start moving away from the mirror. Then you will see that the image is also moving away. You check your left, you wave with your left hand and you will see the right hand is waving at the other side of the mirror. So dear students, first important thing, what you are looking at the mirror, when you are looking in the plane mirror, you are looking at the virtual image. Number two, there are certain points that you are going to observe. Number one, image is upright. Upright means if the head is there at the top, if I am taking example of a bottle, it will not be like this. It will be upright as it is. In physics we say it erect also. Second point, the image is virtual as I have told, because the virtual image does not form on the screen. Third point, it is of the same size. Whatever object you are placing in front of the mirror, the image will be of the same size. Then it is formed at the same distance, like the distance of the object from the mirror. If it is 2 cm, then the image of will be formed at the 2 cm behind the mirror. So this is very important. It is formed at the same distance behind the mirror as the object is in front of the mirror. Now you can see I have written a C here. C here is characteristics. You can take any other alphabet, L, R, B, whatever, right? So I have taken C. When you will write C, it will look in the mirror like that. They both curves will be facing each other. This is lateral inversion. This is the utmost important property of the image formation in front of a plane mirror. I have written certain marks I have mentioned. The size of the C will be same as the size of the image. The distance of the C from this mirror will be, the distance of the image will be, object will be same as the distance of the image. The two things very clear, the size same, the distance is same, and the third important thing, they are laterally inverted. If I am touching the left, the image is showing I am touching the right. Am I clear? So this is the lateral inversion property. So dear students, these are the 5 characteristics you have to understand. It is in front of you. I have taken it in a web chart format. It is your wish. You can write in point by point in bullet form also. So it is your way of writing the things. Hope this point is also clear to you. Upright, virtual, same size, same distance, and lateral inversion. So I have highlighted these points. Thank you, class.